Welcome to Honest Waste Recovery Machinery. Today, we're introducing our ACSR Separator, a professional recycling solution designed for aluminum conductor steel reinforced cables used in power transmission lines. The process starts with feeding waste ACSR cables into the crushing system, where the material is cut and loosened to separate the aluminum strands from the steel core. Next, a powerful magnetic separator precisely removes the steel wires, leaving clean aluminum ready for remelting, while the recovered steel can be reused in industrial applications. This production line is fully automated, energy efficient, and eco-friendly, achieving a separation purity of over 98%. Helping recyclers maximize material recovery, increase profit, and protect the environment. If you're interested in ACSR recycling, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.